Hi there, welcome back to another episode of Crafty Creations. We're here with Culpeper County Parks and Recreation and Culpeper Media, and we're excited to bring a really ultra simple craft, but it's super cool, and it involves leaves that you can get from the backyard or at the park or wherever you may find them. And I suppose you could use fake leaves too, just whatever. But the real leaves, I think, again, it's easy because they're right there in the yard. You can get outside, which is important, and just hunt for leaves. And so what I have today is some paint, a paintbrush, water, and paper towel so that you can blot the paint. And the paint colors I chose, my palette is basically going to be black, red, green, and white. But what you can see here is, now I think they're super cool. You can experiment with eyes, the nose, the teeth. Kids love teeth. You know, even when you're carving jack-o'-lanterns. I don't know about you, but that was always my favorite part as well. But with these guys, I think most of the leaves I'm finding now, because of all of the moisture and the rain, they have that added factor of the mold. So you've got some of the mold and the dried quality. So let's get started. We're going to put those two items there. And let's see, what do we want to... I'm going to go with maybe this guy here. And what I can do here, I think what works best is you want to take your black, and that's when you're going to outline everything. So make your eyes, your nose, your mouth, and then you can go back, add color, the whites of the eyes, things like that. So I'm going to just start by... And it's really nice, this paint, surprisingly, it adheres very well to the surface of the leaf. And I'll just go like this, just something simple to start with. And let's see. You can allow the white or the black to dry if you want. Although it's not super duper necessary. Just holding this down like so. And let's do maybe some teeth. Kind of went the inverse way there. And you could also use yellow. But I think, again, they can just be really simple, you know, and you can make your blood, what have you. And let's do a little bit, where do I want to put some green? Let's do green here, maybe, in the mouth as well. So really it's that simple. And what's fun is the more of these guys that you have, you know, and you can just keep making them and keep making them here. Let's make another one. Go with some black. Yeah, these, the reddish ones with the black are really my favorite. You know, you can make your eyes small, round, square. It really doesn't matter. But very simple. I think this has a super fun factor in what you're, you know, creating and coming up with. And then maybe do... more red here, make them look kind of bloodshot. And pretty much they can be as detailed or as simple. That's why I think this is truly for all ages, because anything goes, and just like we've done tassels and decorations before. Actually, I'm looking at this. I want to add some pupils. Hang on. Let's do that. Yeah. There we go. Once everything has dried, I realize here what you can do is you can either tie with your string, you know, fishing line if you want, twine, yarn, the floss. I mean, it really doesn't matter. But you could just tie the stems, or you can hole punch, and you have yourself some leaf garland. And that is pretty much a leaf zombie. So take care of yourselves, enjoy your crafting. Thank you, Culpeper Media. Stay in touch with Culpeper County Parks and Recreation by email, by phone. We'd really love to hear from you, and like us as well and share, and we'll see you next time. So stay crafty.